let's wrap this up with looking at the indexes and taking a look at the Qs and taking a look at the SPYs. And I appreciate your comments and support of this channel. You know, it's my goal to educate people on what it takes to be truly successful so you can avoid some of the mistakes that I made in learning how to trade over 20 years. So I do appreciate the comments. And if you can like the video, that helps me with the algorithm. See this upper channel that we flipped? We're gone. There's no reason to not get to 330. You could always sell down, but what is going to get you down right now, right? It's going to have to be a geopolitical event like China and Taiwan. There's some other event out there that's going to have to come that we're just not seeing yet. Because what we're seeing is we're seeing demand, or the thought that demand is going to come in on the energy side. Remember, 2/3 of all GDP, right? All the earnings that are in the S&P, okay? 2/3 of it are energy related. So if energy comes down and that sector comes down and the cost of oil gets cheaper, earnings for the entire SPY go up, which means that alone will bring in fundamental buyers and change the price earnings multiple of the market, which therefore can drive us higher. Okay. Just a little quick fundamental lesson. So if you come here, right, it really should be 414 or 418, we're going to call it. Flip that, and you should be able to get up to that 433. I think you could do it. I really do. I think you could break out. I know I'm being an optimist right now, but I really feel that way. So I know we covered a lot, and I know some of it was general. Key takeaways for me that I would take away from this: look at those indexes, look at those levels I gave you. Okay, look at where the money's going. I think Goldman's upgrade today, or maintaining but raising target price on AMD, is very interesting. If you take a look at how the Soxx is breaking out, you know, out of that channel after that semiconductor bill went through, you know, this is one we bought in the trading room, and here it is in the newsletter. And now we're back over that 50, and we're looking for this to really push. What I would tell you about this, and what we're really focused on, is getting in stocks for long periods of time, right? That's where you make your money, and staying in them. I trade, I'm a very active trader, but the real money that I make is on the long side, getting long and staying long, and notice how to managing those positions. So I would strongly suggest that you may want to take a look at this, and there's more about it in the newsletter as well. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.